Hello everybody, it's Trimso here for the first time. In this video I will be telling about myself and where I live. So I live in a small town called Lemmi in Finland, and I live in a small farm with one tractor and a small field where we farm potatoes and sometimes some flowers for the bees. We have a KCS tractor. It's, I think, 94 horsepower. And we do all of the work with it, including plowing, snow works, road works, all of that. All of it. All of it. With one tractor and a Polaris ATV. I will try and post every twice a week, maybe twice a week or once a week at the start, but when I get a bit of longer in this TikTok thing, I will be posting more frequently for this channel. I hope you like this video and I will be ending it now. So goodbye everybody and see you on the next episode.